Hey everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lee Chess, about to figure out some new puzzles, try to figure out these ideas, and see how it goes. I'm using a new system for audio. Let me know if it's better, or if you can tell a difference, or if I should maybe go back to the old audio. I'm just trying new things and seeing what works best. So thanks again for subscribing, for liking, and I hope you like these videos. Alright, here we go. So the first video, looking at a couple of options here. Obviously, I always look at the queen first for some reason, and then I'm just looking what can I win or what can I do with it. And then I look at, the rook and the other pieces, what they can do also. And again, I had some good advice about just looking really quick to see the material, and it looks even on material, and then I look what their position is. I see that his queen can go right here on g3, and that's check. And then if I move it back, that would be my only choice for my king to g1 and then mate on g2. So I need to figure out the best move so I'm not mated. And looking at the rook, obviously I can't move my bishop because it's pinned by the queen. And none of those are options really, because I'm going to get checkmated. So I need to, I guess, look at maybe sacrificing or something else. Okay, if you want to pause the video, I'm going to give it a try. Either this, no. Well, if I do go here, then I'd have that position stopped for the mate. Okay. Here we go. I think it is with the queen. Well, if I go here, then his horse can just go there, and the knight can go there to block it. Oh, I guess I am blocking the checkmate there too. Yeah. Okay, so that's half of it. Oh, and now his king has been moved, so he can't get me in checkmate. And then if I take with this and they take, I'm up a knight. Yeah, that was it. All right, so that was a good one. And then this is the leechess.org the site, and if you go, where is it? Go home, and then a couple of my stats. Still at about 1400. I was 1300 about a month ago, and these puzzles are definitely helping over the board. Lots of cool features on here to watch. The home button, and then they've got puzzle of the day. Let's see. Okay. What are we looking at here? We've got material wise, we're even. Check. He doesn't have any checkmates there. I definitely feel a lot of pressure that I'm putting on him to maybe find a checkmate or win a material. And then, yeah, I want to say one of the things too is his h-pawn, h7, doesn't have it's not at h6, so there's definitely this back rank idea for mate. So do I want to check to get that rook off of there? Okay, if you want to pause the video here, I think I've got it. Let me see. Maybe it's with the queen? Check. Yeah. Okay, and then now the rook is pinned, so that's checkmate. Right? No. Oh, okay. And then can't do anything else. Nice. Okay. So mate in 3 on that one. And then yeah, that was a cool one. All right, 2 pretty cool puzzles here. And you could see my stats and see that getting a little bit better, but rating still about around 1400. If you like this video, if you could like, subscribe, that'd be cool. And I'll make another video pretty soon here. Let me know again about the audio, what you thought, or if I should go back to the other one. And yeah, have a good night, good day.